Tense. It also has 4 forms: simple past, simple past, simple past tense, form is subject plus V2 plus object. So what is simple past tense? What does it explain, or what does it expresses? It expresses a completed or past activity, that is over, completed action. So that is subject V2 plus O. What is V2? Past form of the verb. It is the past form of the verb. V2 is the past form of the verb. Okay, now example, tell. He played cricket after the college. So after the college timing. Okay. Next, anyone? Tell. He watched a movie last night. Very good. Sit down. Next, anyone?
They have gone to Puri last Sunday.
Gone, it is wrong. Only past activity, went.
They went to Puri.
Gone is V3. That is, gone will become V3. Went. They went to Puri last night. Sit down. So simple past tense. Please remember the structure. Please remember the structure. Subject V2 plus O. V2 means the past form of the verb. Why we are studying, why this is necessary? Because by this tense we are expressing something which is already over in the past. It expresses an activity that is completed in the past. Next, or it expresses a completed activity. A completed activity. Next, 2. Next is past, progressive, or continuous tense. Structure is subject, was, were, plus verb ing plus O. So remember the structure. It is subject, was, were plus ing form of the verb plus O. Why we are reading this? Why it is necessary? Because whenever we are describing anything that was happening in the past, through this tense we are expressing it. Trying to express things which were happening in the past or which were taking place in the past. Past, progressive, continuous tense. Subject, was, were, verb ing plus object. Now please, anyone can tell? Yes, please stand up and say.
He was playing cricket.
He was playing cricket. During his childhood time, you can say he was playing cricket. Very good. Next. Ram was studying at 7 p.m. Yes, tell. I was reading a book yesterday night. Oh, I was reading a story book yesterday night. Very good. Sit down. So this is past, progressive, continuous tense. Progressive, we can also say progressive as well as some also say still continuous. Next we have past perfect. Past perfect. Past perfect tense. So the structure is subject, had, plus V3, plus O. plus object. Subject plus V3 plus O. So why this tense is important? Why we are reading this? Because past perfect tense, it shows an activity that was started in the past and was also completed in the past itself. But in the present perfect tense, an activity that was started in the past but is completed in the present. Here past perfect tense we learn or we come to know an activity that was started in the past and was also completed in the past. So the structure is subject, had, V3 plus O. What is V3? Past participle form. Past participle form of the verb. Yes. So give me an example. Had. Subject had plus V3 plus O. Yes. He had. She had finished the homework before dinner. Or we can also say a past activity like India had won independence. India had won independence on 15th August 1947. Another one, any more example? Yes, can you say? Had. Subject had plus V3 plus O. All these complete elements are required. One individual makes a complete sense. Because if the structure is wrong, sentence will be wrong. They had, he had reached his destination, or he had reached the mountain top, or he had successfully completed his studies. Sit down. Next, fourth, past perfect progressive or continuous tense. Subject structure is subject, had been plus verb ing plus object. It is subject, had been plus verb ing plus object. Why we are reading this tense? Why it is necessary in our day-to-day life? Because through this tense we know an activity that was started in the past and was still continuing for a long time in the past. In the distant past. Not in the near past, but in the distant past. Example, the freedom fighters had been struggling for India's independence. Had been. So it has started and it was going on for a long time in the past. Yes, anyone?
She had been working on the project for months.
She had been working
On the project for months.
for 4 months. For months. She had been working in the project for months. It's a long period of time. Okay, sit down. Next, anyone? Tell.
Had they been working there for so long? It's a question.
Question. Had they been
Working there for so long?
working there for so long? It is a question. Interrogative sentence. Okay. Sentences can be also made as declarative, as interrogative, as negative, or as exclamatory. But we usually make it as a declarative or assertive sentences because it will be easier for us to learn. Anyone from the back? Yes, you say. Yes, you say.
She had been cooking biryani since 30 minutes.
They had been cooking
Biryani.
that favorite dish since a long time. Okay. So this tense is over.